today's video is one of my favorite videos to do for you guys every single month, and that is the unboxing of our RWPP Rose War Panty Power Box. This is a monthly subscription, and like I said, it is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox for you guys. This is good whether you get your monthly cycle or that time has passed. This box is definitely for everybody. It is curated for you specifically on what you're wanting, all of that fun stuff. So before we get into the unboxing information about this box, all of that fun stuff, if y'all are new here, hello and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we talk, we play in makeup, we do whatever with makeup and have a good old time. And remember, it is in fact just makeup. This is our happy place. This is the judgment-free space, the drama-free space, and more than anything, it is stress-free. So stick around, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Your girl uploads all the time over here. Monday through Fridays, always at 12:15 Eastern time. Saturdays and Sundays, if I upload, is always at 9 p.m. So there is something going on pretty much all the time. As well as I do have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, and I started uploading about once a week over there, kind of random, here and there things. And of course, your girl's always busy over on Instagram, so I'm everywhere, even on TikTok, so join the fun. Okay guys, let's go ahead, jump into the unboxing and information on one of my favorite subscriptions. Okay guys, so like I said, the Rose War Panty Power box is a monthly subscription box. Now, this is a great box if you do receive your monthly visitor that tends to be a pain in the you-know-what. You can customize this box with organic tampons or pads, as well as you do get to customize undergarments, breeches, panties, whatever you want to call them. And then, of course, there's a bunch of other little things in here as well for some self-care, self-love, all of that. So, now, as far as the price of this box goes, with shipping, it comes to close to $38, under $38 for this box, and you do receive about $60 worth of goodies or more depending. So when we jump into the box, we do get a little postcard in here. Again, this is a great box to gift. I'm going to tell you that right now because I think this is my it's about the fourth unboxing I've done over here, and I have yet to have one that I don't enjoy. So, as always, you will get a little postcard in here. It says, welcome to the October box full of joy. And then inside, it gives you all the information, and it's checked on what is in your box and the retail value of that box as well. And it does say get 15% off at wickedgood.com, code RWPP25. So that is letting me know that there's something in here from that brand. So it has all like different information on the back. It's talking as well as customizing your box, and like I said, if you no longer happen to be receiving your period and you are going through menopause, you can opt out of receiving your period products, get more of a lifestyle type of gift, or if by chance you are pregnant, you can also mark that as well. So like I said, this is customizable for period, menopause, pregnant, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and jump right into this box. It always comes at the perfect time. Like, legitimately, this could not be a perfect time for your girl. So I always get super excited because this time I'm gonna have to hide from myself. Snacks! And you know, one of these snacks caused me to break out like a teenager. Yay, Snickers. Anyways, guys, I don't care. I love them. Snickers. I thought I had lipstick on my teeth. I love Snicker bars, guys, like something fierce. I love candy. I'm a sweet toothaholic. I have to really watch myself. So you always get your little snacks in here. Like I said, comes at the perfect time of the month. I love this stuff. So, and I love the fact that they do put in international candies as well. I think more than anything, that's what I really get excited about. Like, this is stuff that, these kind of snacks are the things that we always kind of have around, easy to come by. But these things, this Oh Yes premium chocolate coated cake, that sounds amazing. I don't know where you're from, but and then this one, I don't even know. what this is. It just says, have a good time with butter wafer of cryon. Butter wafers? Waffles. I don't know, but I'm gonna eat it and I'll probably love it. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, where's my card? Here's my card. Okay, so the first item I see here, I'm like 99, yeah. I was say, I think it's from Illuminati. This is Illuminati Cosmetics. This is a lip gloss. Now, I only have one other lip gloss. There's no scent that I've gotten from them before. Oh, she's pretty. She's a shifty one. We got a little pink, little rose gold. Ooh, let's, you know what? Let's do it. Oh, I like this. Now, I've received the lip gloss before and other subscriptions. Really like it. It's a pretty lip gloss. It is, like I said, it's a lip gloss. So, it's going to transfer and all of that. And let's see here. As far as the retail value of this lip gloss, it is $21. And I like that we've been seeing this brand in more and more things. It was recently just in yesterday's video, I actually unboxed a eyeshadow quad. So, okay, moving on. The next item, oh, I love getting these. This is the Wicked Good Sugar Violets Wicked Good Perfume Oil. Ooh. Hold on, let me, it's in like a little roller ball. It's very light. Am I using it right? I wonder if this is one of those perfume oils or something that mesh with your body chemistry. I don't know much on this one. It just says it's the Wicked Good Perfume Absolute, $15.99, Sugar Violets. Now, don't trust my nose, guys. I was just outside and I have like mad allergies when it comes to the fall weather. Well, I'm a year-round allergy girl. I'm allergic to the world. I don't smell anything, but that doesn't mean it doesn't smell. I mean, y'all have watched videos where Haley smells stuff and I'm like, really? You smell something? And that was with me taking a Zyrtec this morning too. But like I said, I just came from outside. So, I don't know. But I will say, I mean, I could be using this wrong. I should probably read it. Clean, consistency, crafted fragrance, ingredients. I mean, there's literally things in here. I guess that would make it have a scent, but for whatever reason, I don't smell anything. But I will say it is moisturizing. I almost feel like it would be good to like rub on my cuticles. Maybe not, I don't know, but I'm gonna. It has grapeseed in it. That's not gonna hurt nothing, right? See, I like when I receive things like with like cuticle oil type of things, because that is never anything I think to purchase for myself, cuticle oil. And with thyroid issues, your girl has like dry, brittle nails. I have cruddy cuticles. So, I mean, I'm just gonna put this on my cuticles because I'm not really smelling it anywhere else. Haley should be coming over and we're gonna be filming some videos, so I'll have her smell it. But this does have a retail value of $15.95. Next in here is the Z Skin Nighttime Eye Cream, 100% organic skincare. Wow, this is a really large size. Like, this is a really large size. 1 fluid ounce. Sorry guys, I forgot to be showing you guys everything. So as you can see, 1 fluid size, so you get a large amount of that, and it is organic. And here's an up close of the oil in case you guys were interested. Very cute. And like I said, it is a roller ball. Moving right along. Now, like I said, you do get to customize your period products. So tampons, if you are wanting tampons, pads, if you're wanting, you know, pads, you can do all pads, you can do all tampons, or like I said, if you are pregnant or going through the change, whatever you want to call it, you can get rid of these, and then they do substitute different things in there for you as well. So in case I forgot to mention, the period products are all 100% organic, which I definitely love and recommend. Do your research, guys, on regular brands out there. It's a little scary, some of the stuff that they put in our women products. Okay, so the next item in here, we did get some of the little I call them the business wipes, you know, like, you know, you get some of those. And then we got another Z-Skin product. This is the facial toner. Oh, thank God, it's for acne. Oh, I can eat the Snicker bar and not have to worry. I'm gonna douse myself down in this. So a good size of this Z-Skin product. And again, it's specified for acne, which is perfect. I like that. It does have ingredients like witch hazel, grapefruit, lemon, jojoba water, peppermint, and eucalyptus. I like the fact that I can read all of the items in here. So very, very pleased to see that. And then of course we got our breeches. You always get 2 breeches in here, 2 panties, 2 undergarments, whatever y'all want to call them. The nice thing about these, like I said, you can customize if you want bikini, thong, whatever it is, you do get to let them know. So I did get some cozy breeches, which thank you, because you know your girl is all about the cozy. So these are really cute gray panties. You do customize your size and everything. These have the nice soft lace. That is one thing that is something that drives me bonkers, is you want cozy panties and then they try and like doll them up a little bit and they put some lace on here and then it's like that scratchy lace and I'm like, this is not comfortable. This does nothing for me. But these, you can tell it's cozy lace. I love how I just tangent off. Oh, I really like this. I like this a lot. Really. Oh, and we got some cutesy ones. This is the keep the husband entertained panties. So, and again, these are cute. I like the fact that they are cotton as well, and it's a cute little, like, I feel like it's kind of themed. It's kind of got like the little, I thought they were biots at first, but I think they're like lightning bolts. So that's really cute as well. And they do come in a cute little satchel. So that is everything in this month's box. And like I said, this is a nice gift. I feel like that it's like a gift to yourself, and it always, I think they just kind of found me at the right time, because the box always shows up when your mama needs it the most. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So really excited. I'm gonna totally go and veg out. I think I may film one more video to go up on Monday, and then I'm gonna be vegging out, watching a little the first 48. I tell you what, between Kendall Rae, the first 48, and some other crime shows I've been watching, your girl is like an anxiety-ridden mess. Thank God for the CBD oil from Sweet Drops. But I am just like, oh, it's like the fall and it's the Halloween, and I'm like, what are you doing? I mean, I don't know. Hello, tangenting, here I am, my old friend. So anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. Like I always tell you guys, I absolutely love this subscription. I love the fact of the snacks, the panties, and you getting the self-care skincare products. It's always a great gift, whether it be for your daughters, your wife, you know, your bridesmaids, whatever it is. And like I said, if your friend just had her baby or whatever, this would be a wonderful thing to think about, you know, because it's customized, it's for her, and there's a lot of fun things in here as well that I think a new mom would enjoy. So anyways, guys, let me know down below your thoughts on that. This box, like I said, it's going to be under $38. That does include shipping there. So under $38 for everything in here. You always get nice panties, and you always get the feminine products. And like I said, no matter what stage of life you are in, they can customize this box for you. So anyways, I will leave information down below if you guys are interested in signing up for this box. I'll leave the link for you guys down below. And that is all, my friends. Until next time. Oh, it's not all. Guess what? Is this not the bestest shirt ever? Yeah. I just had to show you guys. I found it at Torrid, and it's like buttery soft fabric, and of course it's Wonder Woman, who is like my favorite superhero ever. So I thought, I must wear this to film this video, because Wonder Woman rocks, and we're all about like woman empowerment, you know. It's all about community over competition. So okay, now I'm hopping off. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and wherever you are, and until next time, as always, I hope you have, I screwed myself up. I done messed that up. Anyways, guys, I'm hopping off for now. I'll see you next time. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.